this is Nancy with Fix This House, and today I want to talk about the floor in our garage that has sunk down. And I'll give you a quick, this is the 2-car garage for the house that we just purchased, and the whole property needs a lot of work. So we've got our work cut out for us. There's the pool that needs work, and there's the 4-car garage that needs work. So if you look approaching the garage, you'll see that there is a crack leading up the driveway, and that leads into the garage. This left side here, about 10 feet of this portion right here, has sunk down a bit. And we had a structural guy come out today. He works for Aquaguard, and he was talking about what the problem is and how to fix it. Let's just take a look for a second. You can see it's like the floor has dropped about 4 inches. All along here, the tile has separated from the tile on the wall, and you can see there's also like cracks to the tile here because it starts to slope down towards the back of the property. The expert, he said that the issue is often that builders will just fill dirt in the one side. They'll fill in the one side of the garage or whatever and not tamp it down, and then over time, the house was built in '89. I think that's when the garage was put in also, and over time the ground settles, and then you have this dropping. So their plan is to use a foam, kind of like mudjacking or hydrojacking or something like that, I don't know. They will drill in between the tile here and put foam inside and allow it to expand and lift and fix the floor falling down. If you look at the ceiling up here, I panned to it earlier, you can also see that this part of this wall here has also, this wall that leads to the breezeway also is built on top of the foundation or this floor, so it is sinking down as well. And if we go out here, apparently this section here, this, I call it an ugly breezeway, has also sunk, and it's slanting down, and these steps no longer line up. There's gaps behind every one here, and so they're going to be, we'll be removing the steps, and then they will be jacking up the floor. And it includes this little section here, which is locked. One second. Let's see if we can do that. There we go. The section here, they used it as a grill patio, and it also has a section you can kind of tell that it's sunk here. So they're going to be jacking all that up, fixing it for us, and we should be good to go. So that's scheduled for about a month from now. I thought maybe this would be helpful to people who need work done, or they have a section where the ground, the floor has sunk down. And we're in Georgia now, so this is the company called Aquaguard that will be fixing this for us. He did say that the exterior wall is fine. There's Buck using his DR Power Wagon, hauling junk out of here. All right, let me show you the exterior wall, the back of the house. All right, there you go. Here's the back side of the house, and you can see how this actually, he said, looks pretty good. So this wall does not bow out or bend, and it's built properly. So that is good news to me. And I don't know if you have any questions or comments, write them down below. I'd love to hear your experience, and I hope this is helpful to you. And if so, please give it a thumbs up, and have a great day.